Komisi benta na kajing rakhe ya kajing dap arpsan snem na ka server jivili ka sengsam la mokhar menta ka sngi ka khakandai tarik u nailar arjar pulai ka lapulong ya ka awareness program la kajing pun satu pai ba ka de buting sni jo drugs bat kui de kajing di ka sniu hakan ka awareness program ikong sidi lingwa barang director dengan social welfare elang ikong san bara kajing kren kajing I ilia tu bah kajing wat banyak batang sulap sien lap bah ka jalam khla ki bun bah ki langkmi ki barang armet bat ki barang khaklon ki yap no ashitang por kada kolong namar kajing membiang kat konsumer yaki haga jo kapor haga ni kajang la khatu na kametaban pensutu ya kajing sni jo drugs ya ka ba ka sengsam la ka khat ya kajing trailang ji pai ba no shnang ba kamjuru hi pat ki bor rang mate la kam ya kajing di ka ba sni ka ba len shop ya ki samna ba maksa alang ha sni to menta
Dia akbeli pat pakini ki treatment and solution kita kami research and design kita nak kalian cumi it's one ra ya shimbur hak kita ki treatments and intervention kuno kita banyarap ya kini kita kita kami kini kita cumi kita berbuat nama buat nak kalian cumi kita kata kacing sopo kakala balada umum kriya ulas tampan mo dari umum kriya ulas tampan kerni hakini kita cumi kita berbuat imundur be kacing coba kalampur Dei, kemudian kita kacing, kemudian kita kacing terang akbeli dengan kacing kucing berkat. Dei, kalau kalau sebelum kita mat, dia gendu, ya mungkin kita kiriu, kita dah ni kita cacing, kita dah ni addiction problem related to drugs and to any substance abuse. Kini kata kacing kata lenti bagi semua cingkermen. Dan regim ni bagi klien. Kadon kata kala, kadon kata lenti, banyarap ya mungkin kita kiriu, kita dah ni kata kacing keram. Hak bagi kuat dan berkelah, dan di berkelah jadi dia nak kini kacing syate, dan dia nak kini kacing syabak, hak biar dia kini kacing bendon kam, dia boleh drugs. Dia hak biar dia berkata kata, angin bagi serdensi in sabatai kamha, hak biar dia berkata, dan kalian cuma ngasihwa, bermanda akan kini kita ini di objectives, hak biar dia ketika awareness program ketika sini, kebenaran kau kia to create an awareness on drugs and its myths and misconception. Dia ketika ini kita banyak angkuat macam kita buat, baginya kami semua dia kata drugs, jadi kuno bagi beliau di setapak ngok, ini drugs, dia kita kinjam methods bagi beliau kita tentang biar dia drugs, bagi kita myths bagi kita misconception. Ini mana kita kacing shisha. About myths and misconception kami nama dan buat tanah dia cumi beliau, kami ini kita sabla, dan kita stampan kerni, dan kita stampan ngok. Kini kita jadi berbuat, kita ni kata kacing semua kebalai, kebalaan disabilitas jom kita di factual information kebangi baru biar nak andi ini adalah ban semua bantik kita di perlu mengira bandrit yang kata kami, yang kata misconception kebiasaan berkaitan awareness community. To identify the signs and symptoms of drugs abuse. Kemudian akan objektif juga dengan presentation tu nak buat bantuan semua tu cakap baru kau kita dalam ni banyak semua tu lang baru kau kita tidak kishin kalau beliau dan jika beliau kita panman kita banyak kedua tadi menjelaskan bantuan kamu yang ini dijadi berbuat kamu akan beri drugs. Bahkan maha akan beri berkaitan signs and symptoms wan mundur bagi dia nanti doktor, specialist dan dia nanti mental health professionals kibala ansau tu ini kita kishin dan dia akan beri ini kita kishin bagi baru kau dia dalam hane ini alam banyak semua dan dia bagi tu yang ini kita kishin nama bagi ini kita kishin ini kiba Silpa ube ulayo lani ulado ni kini kita kishin ni iko be deriva kini kicin kodong choko hakabede ka kicin o kabede ka physical symptoms nang tane ka ba kade ka behavioral symptoms dingba ka kicin long choki hakaba mga maki ne manu kinyala ka ito mo dinamka ka ba objective ka ba hakabede ka awareness program kade to guide such individual for proper treatment and intervention. Akan ini kita tahu nak kajian coba nak seperti ini, bukti psychologist, katakanlah, kata treatment, ini kata jenera kebagi, lu hilang batai, syak ini diberi di belasang dan pendon kamu, ini dijadi berbuat, dengan psychological treatment. Oh, ini suatu, akan ini medical treatment, nak kajian jongki doctors, nak kajian jongki psychiatrist and specialist berbeza kalau kemudian kamu apa yang dia bagai cina aja semua ini gitu, Andre ide buat semua tentang dia semua bagai psychological treatment do kadai away and effective measures panyarap yang ini gitu adalah sedang bangun dan ini gitu adalah sedang kini hak ini jadi berbeda. Tahu tentang yang ako bayade makani ka awareness program ngamwa kani handi mangansukran directly sa pang-drugs naman bali nasula na kani unta ngalong ko mga shoe yabe ngalong ko mga shoe at saka maniya step by step ngalong ko mga shoe job si po to steps ne dinahan ka daw nabuk nang ini ka slide naman nakwa paparo ang play jumi inya smooth ko siya naman ko drugs ko the way kita ki substance abuse na nalawa kita kita kibe kita ki substance abuse Dimenta, ginyabalsya ang smoko siya, uwe itaw substance abuse. Habang yung range ang uwi substance abuse, hindi man smoko ba, substance abuse is a pattern of repeated drugs or alcohol use. Kapag uwi uno, uta ujajiti, nani uta ujajiti ba, ubriyo, nekabriyo, isang banpindag kami yagi, nakapor siya kapor. Mo, dinamar bagi kedengkam yang ini dijajiki ibapen buai dan yang ini dijajiki ba ibapen buai nakapos kapor ini man suku baladau di rasa man pendengkam yang ini nakapos kapor ukta ini kilai ini kita kabaya dia kajingin ke mana kasih ke sini kabani pom kita ya kakoi kakya kumapide hande hel kabaa kadi ya kakam kajam kapamidre kita kabang namdalkam ban katay di hakanukan yang bakal kita kani ka kam kajam naman baropat dan lejuni ilayo ilun ya kini gitu kelas dapat dia de iyo ini kamtam dia ada di gitu baterai kam kajam iyo itu bakuno ka kam kajam baterai manakasi kasam ban kendriang dan di kasam ban sakma dan di kasam ban ra kita hibur kedalaman tut habede ka kam kajam baterai manakasi Bagaimana keren, sa kakam ka dyan kapag itray manakasi, ngamship keren tangya kakam kapag itray ako ka jaka ako ki office, naman mamong ba, ibag-ibray, ipapindan kami kini-ijajin, ibapunduwa, kini ang kita kandiyo. Henry, kaftaro, ya kakam ka dyan kapag-iyaday, bagka-responsibilities, kapag-iyaday, bagka-role and responsibilities, kapag-iyaday, kapag-iyaday, kasinong katao, nang tali, siyubay, jaka, kapag-iyaday. Deputa, ide pansuko, baladaw kriyo ulas nang magpindang kam, ya kini ijajiti kapinduan ng kapos kapol, kakam kajam ko kadi away ha nakibenta ka bintut, ha kabiyade kalupamya, pagkajiti ya chukibili ba mananasi. Nalorjo ka pagkakiya kakam kajam, buhat ko kan tao ya kadi social relationships. Abang yung social relationships kadi kapag hindi man suto, baladaw uno kriyo ulas nang bagkirni, hakini kijajiti kipapinduan, hindi man suto, baka nagachigya di hakainang sa alamlo, kaday gawin na ibenta ka malaman kita, hakabaya di nakikibili ulas nang magpindang kam, yakini kijajiti kipapinduan. But gawin kapamagwa bantro hayo attention kanina por, magwa ang syukili, bang syukensmo syukili. Balay try pag-ibriyo kiyet, balay ibriyo fay kipindang kam, yakini kijajiti kipapinduan. Doong yung natry, kaya ikadaw pag-pinong iubriyo, bantindang kam, yakini kijajiti kipapinduan.
I'm really enjoying in the society from the Rational Reacting from in the Bible it's written, the men are the high value, the strong one. Me, they will be a section. You give us the support. We do things like this. Alright, I got you in the chair. But as a classy girl from a matrilineal society, my respect is for the men. No matter what they enjoy it, they got classy jacket and they can't board them. We can't board. So, if the men, as a father, as a green, men, para, why can't we take care? So this is the intervention we can do for drug reduction. We mustn't join the dreaming. So I went to that by virtue of my post. I went. Nanaling ko rehab, kitang kido no ni. Mas na kitang kumakasang kami mo kitna ilipediki. I found out that most of them, I talked with them, kikirteng, done work, done jingleman, they've told me their names, so I've taken their names also. And niche kitna kikirna, then kibna if I could show the households. She got not in here. Immediately, she can't pay much money. Saudi and then even may bela hayang under kabang kadi babyang ba babela kami, so you don't expect to have 9 noodles and good food. Iyan region para hopefully yan haba. So when you become enticed. That is why under this mission, we are also talking about poverty reduction. It's a sustainable development goals, poverty reduction, because these are one of the causes for drug infection. They cannot have the dance or internet or piano to play at home, so the kids get exposed. The kids don't have I'll tell you when I went to Garo Hills when they gave me we found out that study recently through my principal secretary, who also developed this paper along with our Honorable Chief Minister and with the support that is given by our Honorable Minister Paul, and together all of them develop on these concept paper, understanding that under sustainable development, our poverty is affecting our health, our poverty is affecting dropouts from school, our poverty is also affecting the hygiene, our poverty is creating a lot of problems. But for us who understand, we can do intervention. No matter even if we touch 5 lives or 10 lives, we can make a difference. And so we found out that in the latest study that we found, and Meghalaya and West Khasi Hills is affected the most, where we found that there's stunting and there's wasting. The nutrition ke jogi along, it's very painful. Now when we bound on moose, even the duck, it's very difficult. But then these are the nutrition that needs to build the body, the baby. And as per the study, Kabamidan Shulam, 3-4 weeks, recreational activity. Should take chips, should take something done. Something again, because seriously, these are babies are teenage pregnancy. And why we have fatherless kids? Because you can't give them. They're not aware. So if we come fake leaders, if the church takes a proactive role to give this kind of education, and then really not in the dropouts. The dropout came because of lack of nutrition. Kemudian yang gat, kemudian yang salt, kemudian yang protein, folic acid. Check one from the body shop, which nothing nutritional. Because of this, the social welfare department is therefore has been doing it also. The supplementary nutrition program SNP, which is very powerful. Anganwadi centers now to last week. The World Bank is giving us money again to the social welfare department, thanks to the government of Sir Conrad. When you are in collaboration, when you are in good,
you speak into the Jesus, good to serve, when their additives in the body, and the digestive system, they don't want to be. So when reduce the pain and reduce they improve the digestive systems and reduce the pain. It has very good reserves of mineral, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. And the photochemical which is inside ajwain, it helps for the brain. The oil which is in ajwain helps the brain to regain the memories, and it numbs the brain which you are addicted to. Because the drugs offense of brain sleep.